Alrighty, shark bait. So today's math is going to be a little different than we normally do it. We're going to start with our Wildcat Cash, using our Wildcat Cash for math today. How do we think we can use Wildcat Cash for math though? Right? Our Wildcat Cash, what we use when we have good behavior, right? When we follow through our expectations, you earn Wildcat Cash all the time. But how is Wildcat Cash like math? How can we use it for math today? Well, that's a great question. Wildcat Cash? Math? Money? Math? Numbers? Adding? Subtracting? Huh? Holden, what do you think? How can Wildcat Cash be used for math?
We can add like tens or ones.
Oh, that's what I was looking for, Holden. Good job. We can add together our tens and our ones, can't we? Look at your Wildcat Cash in front of you right now. And Miss Molnar is borrowing Amora's Wildcat Cash really quickly because I'm my bank. You know how Miss Molnar has her bank full with money? I'm actually all out of tens right now. I wonder why that is, because you guys have tons of tens and ones in front of you. I gave you all of my tens. So I'm going to need some tens back. But we're going to talk about that in a second. All right? So take a look at what you have in front of you. You have green $10 bills, and you have your pink $1 bills, right? And do you remember during math we've been talking a lot about tens and ones? Tens and ones. What is that called, tens and ones? Layla?
Base 10.
Base 10 form. Okay, base 10 form is kind of more like when we're drawing our tens and ones.
Base tens and ones.
Okay. Jax, what do you think?
I think
Got a lot of tens, wait. He's got a lot. Everyone say place value.
Place value.
Place value is when we are talking about bigger numbers. Numbers that are bigger than just numbers that have one's place value in them. Like the number 5. Do you guys have just 5? Well, okay, guys, remember right now? No, you've got more than that because you've got tens and ones. So the numbers that we're talking about right now, if I ask you how much money do you have in front of you, the number that you have is probably a larger number, a greater number, and it's going to have a tens place and a ones place. That's called place value. That page that we've been turning to in our math strategy folder that we've been referencing to, that anchor chart, is all about place value. So, I don't want you to forget how much money you have in front of you right now. Because it's a lot. I can see. You guys have been working hard. So right now, I want everyone to take out their whiteboard, plain whiteboard, your marker and eraser. But don't put away your Wildcat Cash because we need it. If you have a bonus, you can put the bonus away. We're not using the bonuses. I only want to see tens and ones right now. Okay, no bonuses. Tens and ones only.
no fives. Just keep them.
Yeah, put it away. If you have a 5, cover your mouth when you cough, please. If you have a 5, put it in your Wildcat Cash baggie for just right now. Not a lot of you have the 5s. So, for example, I have Amora's Wildcat Cash in front of me. And Amora, if I wanted to count this money, I'm going to have 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. All right? And I can count it like this. 10, 20, but now this is a $1 bill, so I have to count on by ones. After 20 is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to write the number 25 on my whiteboard because that's how much money I have in front of me. But you probably have a different amount of money in front of you, don't you? So I want you to write the amount of money that you have in front of you right now, your amount of Wildcat Cash, on your whiteboard, please. Go ahead and let's count quietly because we're all going to be counting at the same time. responsibility. You need to look for it, please. Can we write it big? My mind is blown. Wade has a much harder skill that we're going to be practicing today. Wade has 215 When we say that is amazing, Wade. But, so we're not going to be using Wade's example today, but that's amazing. That's a big accomplishment. Give yourself a pat on the back. He doesn't like to spend his money. Right? Anytime Miss Molnar opens up her store, he doesn't really like to spend it. He likes to save it. And that's the difference between saving and spending, right? Marvinsley also has a much bigger number. Marvinsley has the number 116. Now, think about, real quickly, we're just going to talk about it. We're not going to write it down. We're not going to explore it. But 215 and 116, are those larger or greater numbers than maybe what you have right now? How do you know and why? How do you know and why? What part of those numbers, besides just saying to me, it's bigger, I know it's bigger, I know it's greater, but how do you know that? Jax?
Because,
I don't want it, that's not the answer I want to hear. How do you know? Not just because I know it. I know 200 is a greater, bigger number than 18. How do you know? Layla?
because you count it and you count it by tens, and with your base you count on by ones.
All right, well, let's think about something right now because we're using Lola's as an example. 25. Morris, I'm sorry. 25. Does it have a hundreds place in the number 25?
No.
It does not. It only has tens and ones. 2 is in the tens place, 2 tens, and 5 is in the ones place. 5 ones. But if I had hundreds, that would be past the tens place. It would be greater than anything in the tens place. And then I would have a number in the hundreds place. That tells me that that number is greater, right? So that's why Wade and Marvinsley have the greatest number of Wildcat Cash in our class right now, because they have a number that has a number in the hundreds place. Okay, enough talking about hundreds because that's second grade skill. Let's talk about what you have in front of you right now. Do you remember how Miss Molnar said we're going to be trading in our Wildcat Cash? But we're going to be trading in our Wildcat Cash in a different way. Normally, what does Miss Molnar do? Normally, you've got 10 ones. When I say we're trading in our Wildcat Cash, what does it normally look like? Normally, James, have a seat. We're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And that is a group of how many? 10. And what Miss Molnar normally does is I take those ones and I trade it into you for a 10. But guess what we're going to do today?
Trading for 20s?
No.
Trading.
I'm going to take your 10s, but I'm going to give you 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So think about this right now. This was Amora's money. Watch this. This was Amora's money. And let me organize it in a way that you can see how much money she has. Shark bait. Take a look at Amora's money on my screen. Does Amora still have 25 Wildcat Cash? How do you know? Are you sure? What did I do to Amora's money? I took one of her 10s. Do you remember before she used to have 2 10s? She used to have 2 green 10s, but I took one. I stole it. Oh, but I didn't steal it. I just traded it in. I gave her something different. Instead of the 10, I gave her 10 extra ones. Boys and girls, how much money did Amora have?
25.
Does she still have 25?
Yes.
Let's count it together. Let's start with the bigger number on my screen here, which is a 1.
2.
Which is a, what am I going to start with?
A 10.
A 10. All right, so that is where 10, let's count on. After 10 is?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Keep going.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Does she still have 25 Wildcat Cash? So the number didn't change?
Nope.
What changed? Does she still have 2 10s though?
Yep.
Does she still have 2 10s?
Yes.
Not 2 green 10s, but wait. This is a 10, and this is a group of,
10.
so technically there still is 2 10s, right? But not 2 10 rods, not 2 10 sticks, not 2 $10 bills, right? So let's practice this together. Right now I'm going to come around. Amora's still going to have 25 Wildcat Cash. I'm not going to take that away from her. But I, right now, am going to trade in one of your 10s for 10 ones. And you're going to tell me if you still have the same number. Ready? Keep the number on your chart.
Let me count it.
You had $18? Do you still have $18? Shark bait. Shark bait. So what did we do? Besides this whole nerd feeling like a Grinch and feeling evil and taking your money. Did I steal your money? Did I actually steal it and take it and never give it back? What did I do? I traded it. I took a 10 and I traded it for what? What did I give you back? Jonathan? How many ones? 10 ones, right? So do you still have the same number of Wildcat Cash in front of you?
Yes.
Did your number change? Your number never changed. Your number stayed the same. The amount of 10s that you had stayed or changed, right?
At 6
Go drink some water. Shark bait. All right, this was a great example. We're going to do something a little different. Put all of your Wildcat Cash away, and please keep out your whiteboard marker and eraser. But your Wildcat Cash is going to go away. This was a real life example. Real life means we just did it in real life, right? You guys actually own your Wildcat Cash. Put it away. Put all your Wildcat Cash back into your baggie. You use your Wildcat Cash every day. You earn it. You spend it. Okay? But when we're talking about 10s and 1s, those examples don't feel as real life because that's something we do in our math books, right? That's something that we learn during math time. I was feeling super grinchy. I stole your 10, just like the Grinch stole Christmas.
But you're not nice.
But I gave it back. All right, while the cash goes inside of your pencil box, please erase your whiteboards, make them plain like mine. All right, we are going to do a number in standard form. Did I say to put away your whiteboard? No, what did I say to put away? Wildcat Cash. Keep these things out. That's why they're still up here. Thank you. Okay. We're going to write a number in standard form. Then we're going to write a show that number in base 10 form, and then we're going to show it a different way, just like we did our Wildcat Cache in a different way. So, time to spin the wheel. Is someone on outstanding today?
Yes.
Who's on outstanding today? Come spin this wheel. We're only going to do one example with the wheel. That's why I'm only going to choose Ember. She's on outstanding today. I had a lot of friends on outstanding yesterday, didn't I?
Yes.
Too many. Right, let's see what number we're going to get today. 81. I like it. We haven't gotten a number in the 80s yet. Ember, I'm going to choose the forms for this one. Okay, thank you, Ember. So, the first way that I want us to show 81 on our whiteboards is standard form. You remember what that means? Show me. Standard form. Go. Standard form. Oh, I like it. Who said it? Standard form means?
Write the number.
Say just the number.
Just the number.
All right, so if I said show me 81 in standard form, you're just writing the number 8 tens, 1 1. 1 1. That's the number 81. Good. Nice. Let's erase our standard form. The next way that I want you to show me 81 is in base 10 form. Base 10 form means to draw a model. Draw those tens and ones to represent the number 81. And please don't make them too big and too small because 81 is a very large number. And when you're drawing those tens, think about how many you're going to need. All right, go ahead and work together. Show me 81.
Valentina, you know you could put the number at the top of the 10 so you remember what number it was. 81.
If you want to move your seat. Remember, these are not tally marks. Our tens are tall, but they are not going to be crossed in the middle like a tally mark. I want to see tall stick tens. I want to see some space in between them, Sheila. I don't want to see them all pushed together because then it's hard to count those tens. You do not need to do a really big finger space in between your tens and ones. But it should be enough room for you to see the difference and be able to count in between those tens. 81 is the number that we are showing, Daniel. Talk to James about how we can show 81.
Valentina, not too small.
81 was the number. Count that number. Count your tens. Are you showing me 81? Okay, can you make that one a little bit bigger? So I can see that it's a 1. Let's erase those ones so it doesn't confuse you. Can we erase those ones? We're doing, oh, yeah, erase both of them. Let's save our ones for the end. So right now, how many tens do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you need more to make 81? Good. Now, if you have 8 tens, Mason, how many ones are you going to need for the number 81? How many ones? All right, track mate. 81 is a big number, isn't it? It is a very large number compared to some of the numbers that we've worked with in the past. That number 81, such a glare. Please go drink some water. 81 has a lot of tens in it. Look at all of those tens. And I had to try my best to make them neat and tidy. I had to try my best to make sure I number 81?
1.
1. So when I count it, I count on 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Plus 1 more.
Equals 81.
81. Good. So if I asked you to show me 81 in a different way,
How will
can we erase and make them neat and tidy? Okay, do you see how I have some space in between my tens? Look at mine. I have a little bit of space in between my tens. They're not all smushed together. Okay, we're not talking about tally marks here. We're talking about tens because we want to be able to count them individually. Can you fix them and make them look like mine, please? Okay. If I asked you to show me 81 in a different way, I do not want you to work on your whiteboards yet. You're going to watch my example, and then you're going to show me it on your whiteboard. Capiche? Do you remember how I was feeling Grinchy before? Like the Grinch? Yeah, what did I do? I stole something from you. I stole a what?
Cash. A $10 bill.
A 10. Do we have 10s in front of us right now?
No.
Not $10 Wildcat Cash, but do we have a 10 rod in front of us right now? How many 10s do we have in front of us right now? If I took one away and I stole it, oh my goodness, I literally just stole it. I took it. It's gone. It's in my hand. Do we still have 81?
No.
How much money do I, or how many 10s and 1s do we have right now? Jax, go drink water, babe. I'm about to send you to the nurse. The coughing is becoming out of control. Drink a lot of water. How much do I have in front of me right now? Let's count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71. That's not the same. What did I forget to do so that way I keep the same number? In my hand, I have a 10. I'm gonna crumble it all up. Crumble, 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 crumble. I'm going to put it back on my whiteboard, and I want you to see what I have instead. Not the neatest and the tidiest I wish it was, but what did I just turn that 10 into? What did I just crumble it up? I stole that 10, I crumbled it up, and I turned it into something different. What did I turn it into? Wade?
A 1.
How many ones? Not just one. How many ones did I turn it into?
10.
Jonathan?
10.
10 ones. So boys and girls, what was our number that we started with? 81. Do you still think I have 81 now?
Yes.
Let's find out. Let's prove me wrong. Ready? Count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now we have to count on by ones. After 70 is 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. But wait, what's this guy doing over here? 81. That was the one that I started with. Remember 81? And I never took away that one. I did, in fact, erase that 10. I did, in fact, crumble it up, turn it into one, and I still have the number. Just like when you guys had the same amount of Wildcat Cash when I stole your 10 and I gave you ones. The same rule applies when we take away a 10 from our 10th place and add some ones in. It's the same number. You ready to do a new one?
Yeah.
Let's erase. This time I want to see if you could do it. I'm going to pick the number because I don't want a big number like 81. There's a lot of 10s in 81 and that's just a little too overwhelming. So, let's start with standard form. Okay? Let's start with standard form to help your brain. Ready? What's this number in standard form?
46.
46. Can you write the number 46 on your whiteboards? Get busy. can you turn that 46 from standard form to tens and ones? Can you draw a model to represent 46? Show me. Go. Give me a thumb when you got it. You're allowed to work together with this one. 46 should look something like this. 4 tens and 6 ones. Good, neat and tidy. Fix it. Fix it. I want it to look like mine, neat and tidy. Yours is okay, Layla. Okay, you can make it a little bit better. Hey, Valentina, how many tens should we see in the number 46? 8 tens? Maybe for the number 81 that we did earlier. We're talking about 46 now. Take a look at my number up here. Let's count this together. Ready? Start with 10. Valentina?
30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
I want you to be the Grinch now. Say, I'm the Grinch.
I'm the Grinch.
I want to steal something.
I want to steal something.
Can you steal Christmas?
No.
No, you can't steal Christmas, but you can steal something else on your whiteboard. I want you to feel evil. I want you to steal a 10 right now. But I still want you to show me the number 46. Steal a 10. Yeah, you stole 2 10s, Daniel. Steal 1 10 only. Do you still have the number 46?
No.
But that's what's required. No, you don't have the number 46 anymore. You stole a 10. You stole a 10. I stole a 10. We're all the Grinch. I'm feeling Grinchy. I don't have the number 46 anymore. That's not allowed. We have the number 36. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. That's not allowed for a smelly spot right now. You got to show me 46. I don't want to see you add another 10 rod, though. What do you need to do? Turn and talk with your group. What do you think? Ooh, I like what I hear. Ooh, I know. Work together. Talk about it. So we had 46. Do you still have 46? How can you show me 46 a different way? I don't want you to add the 10 rod back. Maybe you gotta crumble it up. Maybe you gotta add little somethings. I like what I'm seeing here. So you were feeling grinchy, just like me, and we stole a 10. But we still needed to show the number 46. The number should not change. Okay, so I'm gonna give you one more minute. I'm going around. Marvin, you're not talking to Daniel. And James, you're not talking to Daniel about what you did. I don't know why you're not talking to each other about what you did. Okay, so what went on here? Show me 46 regular one.
4,
Go back to the
5.
regular one.
Wait, stop right there. When you stop at 5 little circles,
Okay.
what do you think?
When we want to feel grinchy, we're going to steal something. You're not going to touch these precious baby ones,
So,
because that's what's keeping the 6. What you are going to steal is something that you can grab, like a 10 rod. Only erase the 10 rod.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5.
Now, Taylor, we still have the number 46 up here. We want to still show that number. How can we do that?
No, right there.
Yes.
6.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
7.
All right, so we were feeling grinchy. We stole a 10. But the rule was we had to show the same number. We had to turn that 10, crumble it up in your hands, crumble it up, break it apart. That's what we're doing right now. We're listening, Layla. We are breaking apart a 10. Do you remember, real quick, do you remember when we were working with these cubes? And we'll work a little bit more with these cubes tomorrow. I just didn't have enough for everyone to make 46. Remember we were working with these 10 rod cubes? Okay, and how much is this? Layla, put it down. How much is this? 10. But if I do this, breaking it apart. I am crumbling it up. Evil. Grinchy. I'm stealing Christmas. Now look what I have in front of me. How much is this? Pretty sure? But is it a 10 rod anymore, Amara? Don't look down, Amara. Is it a 10 rod anymore? What is it? 10 ones. They're little baby ones. So when you steal a 10 rod, you have to crumble it up and turn it into ones. Do we still have 46 here? Are you sure? Daniel, do we still have 46?
No.
We don't? This is 1, 2, 3 10s. But wait, Daniel, is this a 10?
Yes.
I just broke it up into ones, so is this still 4 10s technically?
Yes.
Did I erase my ones?
No.
I kept my ones. Do you still have any?
6.
6. Let's count this all together. Ready, Daniel? Ready, Wade? Ready, Eden? 10, 20, 30. Now we have to count on by ones, Valentina. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Am I done?
No.
I still have more ones. These are the precious little baby ones that I didn't erase from before. I kept those from when I started with 46. Let's keep going. After 40 is
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
by golly gee. Do I still have the number 46?
Yes.
Did the Grinch save Christmas?
Yes.
I saved Christmas. I never changed the number. The number is the same. It is still 46. So we're going to practice this a little bit more tomorrow because this was a lot today, right? We're going to practice this with actual 10 and 1 rods. We're going to practice it actually with manipulatives, and we are going to be able to break apart those manipulatives and show a different number. Capiche? All right, good job. Erase your whiteboards, markers, and erasers.